Welcome. Today we will be looking on introduction to AutoCAD, and first of all we will set the layout or the theme of our background theme, and we only achieve this by clicking the icon just beside the A, and immediately we select this icon. You just go to option, click option, and a dialog box appears, and we select colors. Within the colors we have a lot of colors here. We have red, yellow, green, and you can put any. For my case I can put white, and then apply. Immediately you apply, the background color changes. You can also remove the grid lines if you want to by clicking just at the dialog box beside the model, and then the grids disappears. For my case, I like it when it is black, the theme color, so I go back and select black color. I can also put another different color. For instance, I can put this color called magenta, and the background appears that way. So for my case I'll just use black, and I go back, options, and select black as my theme color, apply. And I also like it when I'm using grid lines. So basically with this I have my layout. The next item that we set is units. So you go to formats, and then you select units. For my case I use millimeters, so format units, and then I have decimal. I select decimal, and then precision I select 0, and with this I just select OK. So I have set dimension units, and for now I'll just set the dimension styles. So I go to format again, dimension styles, and a dialog box appears. I select annotative as the first item, so select annotative, and with annotative I can now create new dimensions. I just modify the dimensions, and then I make sure that they are decimal also. Precision 0, and then I'll click on symbols. For symbols I can choose any size of the arrow. I'll just select 3, and then text also it is 0.18. I'll just select 3, and then fit, that one just fits at on either text or arrow. Primary units, their precision, they are just 0 decimal, and I am through with that. So I just select OK, and then close. So with this I can just do a simple drawing, a simple sketch. I just select the line, click line, and then you click on the layout. You can put dimensions, so I can just put 500 and then press enter. So that is where 500 go to. I can also use 250, enter, and with this I have my box. For me to get to the edge, I can write 500, or I can select the edge of this with a line. So that is 500, and that is 500. So with this I just right click and press enter. So for the dimensions, I'll just click dimensions. In fact it is here, it is linear, so I just select this corner, and then I click on this corner, then I double click on that one side. I think my scale is very small because I had selected 3, that is the unit size. I need to have like 5 or 6 so that I can read the dimensions. So that one I'll change, and with that one you can also draw, for instance, a circle. So just click the circle, and then I draw a small circle. I can draw a circle of radius perhaps 20 and then enter. So for dimensions of the circle, I just go to dimensions again, and then I'll select radius and I click onto the circle, and it will give me the radius of that circle, which is 20 millimeters. I can also draw a rectangle. Just select the option of rectangle, and with this one you can put length 200, and then for the height you just press tab on your keyboard and then put the height to 110 and then enter. So with this we have our rectangle. So if you want to cut or to trim, you just press trim, and then with that trim you can just cut the sides of the rectangle. So this is introduction to AutoCAD, and you can practice as much as possible with line. For instance, you may find that the lines that you are drawing, they're not straight. Anytime you find that the lines that you are drawing are not straight, check whether the dialog box snap cursor 2D is activated. If it is not activated, it is very hard to draw a straight line, and you find that the line that you are drawing, it may not be straight if the snap 3D or snap is not activated. So you can just activate it, and also activate the 90-degree or auto mode to make sure that the lines are straight. So anytime you find that the lines are not straight, you can open the auto mode, and then you get a straight line. So this is just introduction. Join me in my next lesson, where I'll be discussing more on how you feed it and how to mirror, and also how to drag copies. Thank you, and kindly subscribe to my channel.